Today, I want to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the process of finding your perfect home in this desirable location, Weston or West Broward. So let's get started, okay? A very important step, the number one step, is identifying your needs and preferences. So before beginning your search, it is important to clearly identify your needs. I'm going to mention the factors we need to consider before starting our search because it's very important to you. I will be quick here, but I need to mention all of them, a little bit in detail. You don't miss any of them because each of them is very important. So when identifying your needs for a dream home here in Weston, there are several factors. So those factors are, number one, the size. You need to determine the ideal square footage that suits your lifestyle and accommodates your family needs. You need to consider the number of bedrooms and bathrooms required for your household and your future growth, if you're thinking bringing someone new to the family. All right. Number three, you think about the layout of the home and how aligns with your daily activities and what you prefer to do in the day-to-day. You like open floor plans, separate living areas, or certain specific room arrangement might be important to you. So you need to have that handy when you start your research. Number four, identify the specific features and amenities that are important to you. This could include maybe a backyard, or if you want a pool, if you want a home office, a chef kitchen, I don't know, any unique requirements. I want you to write it down for me, please. Number five, consider the location within Weston that suits your lifestyle. Think about, let's say, proximity to schools, shopping centers, the parks, or any amenities that are important to you specifically. Number six, take into account the type of community you desire. Let's say if you're looking for a gated community, if you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood with specific, requirements, something more secluded, or you like a townhome, different areas, please write it down for me. Number seven, evaluate the accessibility to highways, transportation, schools, all this that is important to you. Number eight, the future plans. Consider your long-term plans and how the home will fit into them. Step number two, we're going to conduct a very deep research. Once we have a clear picture or idea of what we're looking for, it's time to conduct a very deep research. Start by exploring the actual home listings available in Weston. So pay attention to the details of each property, such as price, square footage, additional features. Number three, utilize your trusted real estate advisor. I can't stress this enough. While online listings can provide a bunch of information, it is also important to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who is familiar with the specific area you're looking for. They can help you navigate the market, provide insights, guide you through the entire home buying process. This is a number one priority and is very important. Number four, stay informed about the local markets, trends, and pricing. To make informed decisions, it's crucial to stay up to date with the local trends, the pricing. Keep an eye on the recent sales data, average home price, and unique considerations specific to Weston. These will help you a lot, especially if you get this from your real estate agent. It will help you understand how things are in the market and how you can be competitive. Number five, consider unique considerations in Weston Florida. So take into account unique things that makes Weston special. There are specific neighborhoods that align with your lifestyle Is there like a community or amenity features that are important to you? So understanding every single little thing about the Weston area will help you narrow down your options and find your perfect home. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to find your dream home in Weston. And by following these tips and the strategies, you will be well equipped to navigate the real estate market and make informed decisions. Remember, I'm always here for you. I've been here for 20 plus years. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And happy house hunting. I hope to hear from you pretty soon.